In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undelete an Outlook email. If you've ever accidentally deleted an important email, don't worry, I'm here to help you retrieve it quickly and easily. By the end of this tutorial, you should feel confident navigating Outlook's interface to recover any emails you might have mistakenly sent to the trash. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to go to the Outlook login page. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Outlook login, or you can go directly to the Microsoft 365 website. Once the page loads, you'll see a familiar sign in button. Go ahead and click on this button. This step is crucial as it takes you to the next page where you'll need to enter your email address and password to access your Outlook account. Make sure to have your login details handy so you don't face any delays. Once you have gained access to your Outlook account, navigate to the mail section. You can do this by looking for the mail icon or link and clicking on it to enter your inbox. Now that you're in the Mail Hub, you're just a few clicks away from restoring your deleted emails. Next, on the left pane of your mail interface, you will see a list of folders. Look for the section labeled Deleted Items. This is where Outlook stores all emails that you've removed from your inbox, acting as a safety net for situations just like this. Click on the Deleted Items folder to open it and display all the emails that have been deleted. Once you've opened the Deleted Items folder, you'll see a list of emails that you've removed. Browse through the list to find the email that you need to recover. It might help to use the search bar if you're looking for something specific. When you find the email you're looking for, click on it to select it. You can usually do this by simply tapping or clicking on the email's subject line in the list. Once the email is selected, look for an option that says Restore. This might appear at the top of the page or down in a sidebar depending on your Outlook version. Click on Restore and just like magic your email will be moved back to your inbox. This feature makes sure you don't lose any vital information even if you accidentally delete an important email. And there you have it, you've successfully undeleted an email in Outlook. This handy process can save you from stress and frustration in case of accidental deletions. Keep this technique in mind and you'll always have a way to retrieve important messages. Thanks for watching and I hope this was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.